The campaign for the preservation of rural England. Lie back and think of England. This sceptred isle, this England. Some corner of a foreign field that is forever England. Land's End at the very tip of England. England expects every man to do his duty. England's green and pleasant land. England's dark satanic mills. They'll always be in England. Bank of England, Law of England, Church of England, English lit, English nature, English heritage. I'm not English. This isn't England. And I don't want to speak the language of some old queen.
Agan iaith ni, uzi di worth nef, benigus re bodres kerno, re vefo and gurluigor, I iaith re bolcausis in all and vro, capper hagin broyo arrow. Rovin ni hefu agan cos pop de thol, del avenini than dalathor, uzio cam council or thin ni. Hanara agangora in Tilder, mes delif ni di worth sosnek, Ragnisogi Ewan Gramazic, Hanerva han Leverians, Bisvican habinari. Amen.
Mernans an escort. Di worth an ols pan as a henwyn da the Gerry, o escort a resegus lan Stefan the Lizarth. Mezena a tuth an MOT, hemo scat Mernans, mar Varwell and mar lather Savile the Book of Common Prayer. An roll of Fotis, o hira ges an pragatho Tregear, o Corfena gans laver Mernans, pimp cans puns rag kes tethans. Dew Scythen in Friad southwest, les vith rag an car Kernuic ma, the tho o escort eth an athelva, gans the omlus kerno, whath glan. In Marrow G ma rag Kerry Koth, a whala v reu was a reu, a Chrysler, Vauxhall, hag escorts. And Greco will want a Sigatho, Czechoslovakiek, Rhodesiek, Yugoslaviek, gans Gino Teg, hag Corfo Cankerus. Terrace gans twos in Huilas Rano, o Cortos and du mur o Wusen. Lemon, Hanno o har you sauniver, hagi vlads you fresker ar in lay petrol. Nevra the vegi blockus kentevin, po saka gak po rano pren. Mes hevu, ima milio a escorts, di worth porthbu the benon walaz, o Cortos in henwin na hentext, o Cortos ragan yechaeans a dermin, o Cortos the resic and for the arta. Capper ha Kerry Classic.
Pimp Warnugans was a saith, and Gwithio Setis rag Recordia Coronation Street. Mass sau 3/4 than Gwerther Kirby, young Mike.
Lemon. Dolor. Anna. Dolor. Naborthon. Ia drig don in Lurlen agus Tirathwi. Mir.
Eva Skol and Hulan Celtic.
Okay. Well, Huire Lanhas. Gans Vax Mealpimp Can Sow Tree. Mes. Gans Scooble Sugna Heblith. A Victor Henry and Saithvis. Aha! Nirahena Oberi Travith. Gans and Kirby.
Gans Alcan o Splana Avol Cleather Dragoon Cembric. Gyn Waithus in Ta Caberhag Arquebus Italiec. Gans Nerth and Meal Lands Connect Elminek. Ran and Lurlen Grenuic o Glanhez a Blau Sabonis. Martlan Avol Surrey Podanens. Mes, Nia Sconias both Kirby people. Gwel you gen in need trigger in Ploster and Amster Passes. In Most Agan Yaith Celtic. The tho, in man net cornel agan chi, a vith bisvican, plaws.
Plaws?
Claws.
Unet Cansran and Poblins Kernuic, the Leathers. Ha Kefriz, a Thesa and Tavus Sosnek, Herthis, Warn Gernu Gorium Drevraz. Haga in Weth, there's a Kevredno Agan Horvro, Treches Intian. Olahema, a Wals, Daneth and Eglos Posos. Ha Himirith and Victernis, a Vuth the Garno the Visitia, Vlithen Hithembloth Orek, Hodno Deuvil had Dew. All and Gurnoyona and Covus and Holocaust Kernuic had Aguavia and Jacka Eunice. Well, August Hagol.
The Gurno, Hagathesa form,
Hello, I'm new in county.
Thun Cov Dane Da.
And new in post from Bristol City Council.
Thom Lowen Hayen Lema, Mur Gerus Ganzo.
The council encourages cultural tourism and the development of the tourist industry during the shoulder months,
The Huake Moy form,
as approved at parish, district and county levels.
Bulio Arworth Pren.
We support and market the long-distance southwest coastal footpath
The Gamo in Leather and Owls.
to increase access for one and all.
The Brevidio,
We must produce family-friendly facilities at the peak period of the holiday season,
The Goffiji Bean,
selling a wide range of locally pre-packed snacks.
The Estat Bihan, Henwis Park and Owls.
The council does support Cornish by the adoption of the policy statement on the Cornish language,
The Wellia Hansel, Orth Never Safe.
with the aid of a grant from Objective 1 Priority 2 Social Inclusion, as this will be a facility for the West Midlands Inner City Respite Trust.
The Ostel Bihan,
Regeneration of this part of rural Cornwall is a key objective in the structure plan
The Fortho Noeth,
and contributes to the rural city concept.
The Nuki.
I've just acquired the post of Deputy Chief Outreach Planning Officer for the Royal Borough of Maidenhead in Kent. Goodbye.
of car was Karen Olsnevis and Pro the bar. War all am novis, funny scolius les, mes agen Carenza.